Hey muñecas, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm not even gonna say it. I am excited. I am always excited though, very especially if I'm here to try out a new product. I don't know what it is about trying out new product, but it's like my passion. I love trying out new things, and especially if I'm able to share with you guys whether or not I enjoy the product. So today, a highly requested video. I am going to be reviewing the new MegaCushion foundation by Wet n Wild. Yay! The last video that I uploaded was a very high-end foundation, which was the NARS Radiant, the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear foundation. Yeah, that's a mouthful. And that was like almost $50. So I really enjoy being able to try high-end and low-end products so that I can give you guys the best of both worlds, so you can pick based on your budget, based on your taste, based on quality. Today we're going to be reviewing this foundation. This foundation retails for around $8.99 to, I guess it can be up to $10 depending on where you purchase it. I purchased mine at Walgreens and I paid exactly $8.99. Pause for a second though. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button right below, and also the notification bell so that you can be here whenever I upload videos. And also you can follow me on my social media. I have Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and Facebook, all under GlamByPenela. Yeah, so without any further ado, if you guys want to see me applying this foundation, and if you want to see how it works throughout the day, and you want to see the end result after an 11-hour day, then just keep on watching. I'm going to be trying out the color Buff Beige Warm Medium. I'm gonna go into the application. Let's take this out. It says it's a liquid foundation and a cushion compact. It has SPF 15, which is perfect for where I'm at. And it says that it contains a natural coconut derivative. My goodness, I cannot say that. Luminous, lightweight, and buildable, and a hydrating formula. So far, everything that it's saying, it really catches my attention, and it is also not tested on animals, which is one of the main reasons why I really like Wet n Wild. So now let's just go right into the color and cross our fingers and pray that it's actually gonna match me, because as you guys know, I am going to work right now, and I don't want to go with a mask on or look a different color. So hopefully it works out for me. So here we have the actual foundation. It's very compact. It's a good size for you to use it in your makeup bag. It has a little bit lower puff. I guess it will be really good to touch up throughout the day if you need to. And then we open it up, and here's where we're supposed to have the foundation. But of course right now we have this plastic that it is protecting it. So let's remove that. We have the actual foundation. It looks like it's a good color. Kind of looks like it does. And I'm gonna go right in with my beauty sponge, and we're gonna take a little bit and we're gonna work this on the skin. By the way, I forgot to mention it only has 0.52 ounces of product, which is a little not much, because regular foundations typically have at least 1 ounce. Oh, I know too. I'm doing pretty bad today. Sorry, I'm in a hurry. It's morning. I gotta go to work. I use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer. It's the Dewy Luminous. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but it's the dewy one. I used it today for the first time, and it feels nice, very hydrating and very luminous. And then I also use my corrector from NYX. So yeah, let's just go right into it, because I ain't got too much time to be wasting over here. Where is my mirror? Oh, it has a mirror here. We have a mirror over here that is protected with a plastic, so that's a plus for sure. And I'm messing up my nails. Now it's looking kind of white, a little too pale for me, but I'm gonna continue blending. It's looking pretty pale for my taste. I usually go a little darker, if anything, on a foundation, but let's pray that it actually oxidizes. I know that oxidizing is not always good, but for me, like if your foundation is looking a little light, you want to cross your fingers that it actually oxidizes a little bit and starts matching your skin tone a little bit better. Alright, so here we have one side. This is the side with foundation. This is no foundation. It definitely has some coverage in there, like if not full coverage at all. but I see a sheer to medium coverage, I want to say. Perfect for like daytime. It feels super lightweight right now. Because it's super lightweight, I don't see it cracking up in any area, like any problem area that I have. It's looking very nice. It's not super dewy. It's more like a natural finish, but it does feel very hydrating. I need some chapstick in my life. So now I'm gonna go into the other side. Later on, I will tell you guys the amount of shades of foundation that they have and which color will probably suit me better, because this one is certainly too light for me. So there we have the application. Aside from the color, it looks really nice. I'm really liking the coverage and the finish that it has. I'm gonna just conceal my bad boys. I go in with my Tarte Shape Tape. Okay, my dears, so this is what we have so far. I definitely am looking a little bit more pale, but I can make that work with a little bit of bronzer. It's not terrible, so I'm going to go in with my bronzer and stuff and finish my face. And then I'm going to work, and today I'm going to have at least a 9 to 10 hour day. So right now it is 7:20, so I'll be back by the end of the night and show you guys how the foundation reacted throughout the day. But so far, I'm really liking it for the price. It's very comfortable. I am really liking it right now, but we'll see how it reacts throughout the day. See you guys in a little bit. Finally back home from work. It is already 6 p.m. so like I said at the intro, it's been way over 11 hours that I've been wearing the foundation, and I'm ready to show you guys. I'm ready to tell you how the foundation reacted throughout the day, and I'm ready to show you guys and, you know, get a little bit closer. So let's do that first. Don't judge me, it's been over 11 hours since I did my makeup. So this is what we're looking like right now. The foundation is in its place. I can tell you, very much in its place. It did not move anywhere. Let me see, I forgot my other mirror downstairs. It didn't move, it's there. The only area that looks like I need a little bit of touch up is right underneath my eyes. I don't know if it was the setting powder. I don't know if it was the foundation. I don't think it was the setting powder because I've used it in the past, but maybe I didn't apply enough. But I do have my concealer. It looks like it's running a little bit, like creasing maybe, but it's, I don't know if it's the foundation or not, to be quite honest. On the rest of the face, the only area that I can tell you guys that I don't like how the foundation sits is around my mouth. Right here. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but I do have, and if any one of you knows why, I have like smile lines here more than anywhere else. Like, it almost looks like little wrinkles, and it doesn't happen with every foundation, but some foundations can sit on those little cracks and it emphasizes it a little bit more. So not when I first applied it, not when I was like 4 hours in, 5 hours in, but like towards the end of the day I started noticing that I started accentuating, I can't say that, accentuating those lines a little bit more. Like, I feel like the product is sitting there a little bit more than it would usually do. So I guess if I do this, maybe, yeah, by touching it you can actually move it around. But whenever I do first impression videos for you guys, reviews, especially if it's a foundation, I try not to touch it. Like, I try not to touch up my face. I try not to do any of the things that I would normally do, but I would normally like go around my mouth maybe if that was happening and try to fix the situation. My NYX Dewy Setting Spray I really love for touching up, but I did not do that today. So even my lipstick is a mess right now. It's a hot mess. But yeah, it's nothing major. The foundation is in its place, and what I can tell you is I did receive a couple of compliments today at work. A lot of people always ask me like, oh, what are you wearing on your face? You have beautiful skin, whatever. But most of the time is when I'm wearing a good hydrating foundation, and I did have a few compliments today. So that is a good thing, right? When people tell you, oh my God, your skin looks beautiful, that means that your foundation is doing its job. So far, I really am enjoying the foundation. Let me come back a little bit because I'm too close. That was enough. You guys don't need to see all my pores for the entire video. But anyways, the foundation is beautiful. I really like it. It is different than the other foundation. What is it called? What is it called? Oh my God, I can't think of it. It is the HD Photo Focus Foundation, something like that. the other one that they have. This one is feels a little bit more lightweight, a little less drying than the other one, and I would say this is more for like every day. I felt really comfortable wearing it, but keep in mind I have dry skin. I don't know how it will react with oily combination or normal skin, but on my skin, and I think normal skin is actually gonna be beautiful. I didn't set my foundation, all I set was my under eye, and I applied some bronzer. Now the color, for those of you that are curious and that you're my complexion, I would say that I would probably enjoy the next color a little bit more, which I think it was like Honey, Dewy. Let me look up the names of the shades that they have. By the way, I just found out that at Target is $7.99, so you will be saving $1 if you go to Target. And no, you gotta be kidding me. In Walmart, it is $5.62. How is that even possible? I'm returning mine. I'm going back to Walmart. How is it possible that at Walmart it is almost freaking $4 cheaper? It is $5.62 at Walmart. Go get yours from Walmart. So that shows you that drugstore foundations, like the pricing, it depends where you get it. And to be honest, I always would rather go to Target or Walmart. They have the better pricing. At the drugstore, sometimes they have like buy one get one 50% off, or if you have a coupon, then it works out well. But if you don't have a coupon, go to Walmart or go to Target. The Wet n Wild website right now, and we do have a bit of a situation when it comes to the shades available for you to purchase. So once again, I do notice that they only have 8 shades of foundation, which is a shame because I guess not everybody's gonna be able to buy this foundation. It's a shame. But anyways, like I said, I told you guys that I got the tone Buff Beige. The one that I was actually looking at was Honey Beige. I find it here, but if I'm not mistaken, that is the one that I use on the other foundation from Wet n Wild that I have, the Photo Focus foundation. So I would say if you're my complexion, you can work with this shade because it has a yellow undertone, definitely, so it matches my undertone, but it was a hint too light. But I think that it's it. Aside from the range of colors, it is a very nice foundation. It's very affordable. It's one of the best that I have tried from the drugstore. I will continue to use it, and I will continue to update you guys. But for today, I'm looking at myself in the mirror. By the way, my first impression, my first day of wear was a very good one. Like I said, it wore over 11 hours and my makeup is still decent. So far, I recommend it. So let me know if I forgot to mention anything. You can ask me anything. I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. And once again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the support. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoy being here. If you think this is a nice foundation, what do you think about the finish? And if you're gonna pick it up, let me know. If you're gonna buy it, give me a thumbs up. And yeah, thanks for watching. Mil besos, and I see you guys next time. Bye.